Show that the congruence x cube is congruent to 3 modulo 19 has no solution, while x cube congruent to 11 modulo 19 has 3 incongruent solution. Consider the congruence x cube is congruent to 3 modulo 19. Comparing it with x raised to power k congruent to a modulo p, we get k is equal to 3, a is equal to 3, p is equal to 19, so that the greatest common divisor of k and p minus 1 is equal to 3. 18 is 3. Greatest common divisor of 3 and 8 is 3. Now the congruence 1 has solution. This congruence has solution if 3 raised to power 19 minus 3 upon 19 minus 1 upon 3 is congruent to 1 modulo 19. That is 3 raised to power 6 is congruent to 1 modulo 19, but 3 raised to power 6 is 81 into 9 congruent to 5 into 9 modulo 19 congruent to 45 modulo 19 congruent to 7 modulo 19. Therefore 3 raised to power 6 does not congruent to 1 modulo 19. Hence the given congruence has no solution. Again, consider the congruence x cube congruent to 11 modulo 19. Comparing it with x raised to power k congruent to a modulo p, we get k is equal to 3, a is equal to 11, p is equal to 19. So we get the greatest common divisor of k and p minus 1, 3, and 18 greatest common divisor is 3. Now the congruence 2 has solution if 11 raised to power 19 minus 1 upon 3 congruent to 1 modulo 19. That is if 11 raised to power 6 congruent to 1 modulo 19. Now 11 raised to power 6 is equal to 121 into 121 into 121 into 121 equals to 7 into 7 into 7 modulo 19 congruent to 7 modulos 7 into 7 into 7 modulo 19 congruent to 49 into 7 modulo 19 congruent to 11 into 7 modulo 19 congruent to 77 modulo 19 congruent to 1 modulo 19. That is 11 raised to power 6 is congruent to 1 modulo 19. Hence the congruence has a solution and has exactly 3 incongruent solutions.